In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push Loom email notifications 2026, step by step. If you rely on Loom to share updates, demos, or quick walkthroughs, turning on email notifications ensures you never miss a view, a comment, or a mention. We'll walk through where to find the settings, which options to enable, and how to quickly test that everything is working, all without any guesswork. Start by logging into Loom on your computer. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From that menu, open Settings. This is where Loom keeps all your account level controls, including the notification options we want to fine-tune. Inside Settings, head to the Notifications section. Depending on your version or plan, this may appear in a sidebar or as a tab along the top. Open it to see the full list of email alerts available to you. Each option has a simple on-off toggle, so you can choose exactly what lands in your inbox. Now enable the email alerts you want to receive. Turn on the notification for when someone views your video, so you get a heads up the moment your content is watched. Switch on the alert for comments to stay on top of feedback and follow-up questions. Enable mentions so you're notified anytime someone tags you directly in a conversation. And if it's useful for your workflow, turn on workspace or team updates to keep track of relevant changes across your shared environment. Think of these toggles as your personal signal filter. Enable what helps you respond quickly and leave off anything that would create noise. Next, review your email preferences. Make sure the email address shown is correct and is the inbox you actually check. If you have access to frequency settings, choose Instant for real-time alerts, or select a digest if you'd rather bundle updates into fewer messages. Instant is great for fast collaboration. Digest can reduce inbox clutter. Some accounts save changes automatically, but if you see a save button, click it to lock in your preferences. It only takes a second and prevents you from losing any adjustments. Finally, let's test it. Share a Loom video link with a colleague or a test account and ask them to view it and leave a comment. Within a short time, you should receive the corresponding email notification confirming everything is set up correctly. That's it. You logged in, opened settings, configured notifications, confirmed your email and frequency, saved your changes, and tested the flow. You can return to these toggles anytime to keep your alerts aligned with your workflow.